How to record your voice in Voloco. Ready to record your voice like a pro? Let's do it in Voloco. Fast, easy, and super fun. On the home screen, you will see some cool beats and a plus icon. That's your star. Allow mic access. If it's your first time, it will ask for mic permission. Tap allow. You need to capture your golden voice. Want to record over a beat? Tap on any free beats. Just want to record your raw voice? Tap no beat. Simple. Now hit the Be Great button. Start singing, rapping, or talking. Voloco will apply live vocal effects while you record. Happy with the track? Tap Continue. Then hit Save to download or publish to post it on TikTok, Instagram, or wherever your friends are watching. Boom! You just recorded your first Voloco track and it sounds amazing. If this helped you drop your first autotune banger, give it a like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comments and subscribe for more mobile music magic.